Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this new YouTube video where I'm going to show you my go-to exercise or my go-to thing when I want to keep my kid busy or just want to have a mindful exercise for my own. You just need a piece of paper. This is a 4 size, could be like letter size. Of course, could be larger. You could do smaller, but then it's going to be really, really small. So this is the perfect size to fit in your handbag. What? A4 in your handbag? No, we're not going to put the A4 in your handbag, but we're going to put the end result in a handbag. I literally made hundreds of them with my daughter or by myself. Just need the piece of paper, just copy paper. I'm going to use a micron because I like using the archival ink pens. But you can use, for example, a Sharpie or a pencil. But now I'm just going to use this one. And the thing we're going to do is just, this is the hard part, put the pen on the paper and just wiggle around, make shapes, don't overthink it. Make sure you hit every edge and corner and just have fun and let the pen decide where it wants to go. So I think we have something here. Just, this is an empty spot, so I could bring the line down here, but since I closed it, I'll just go and do this. See what happens. And what we're going to do now is we are going to flip the page and fold this in half. And we are going to fold it in half again. And if you just want to keep the edges smooth and the corners like lined up, you just put your finger in the middle, slide down, then slide to one side and then to the other. This is the easiest way just to keep the corners all lined up. And now I'm going to fold these again because I want to have the paper divided in 8 sections. So I'm going to do this on the opposite side too. And now we have this beautiful wiggly piece of paper. We're going to grab a pair of scissors and we are going to cut along this line, but we're going to stop here. So I fold it. I'm going to cut along the line. I'm usually not really precise, but you can be as precise if you want to. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab these pieces and I'm going to fold it outwards like this, so you have some kind of cross. Go back to the middle and fold this side to this one over here, and this one over here. Well, actually it doesn't matter which corner you do to which corner or which side, because I can start with this one, or I would like this be the outside. You just do whatever you want to do. And now you have some kind of booklet. Just an easy booklet. This is a page, this is a page, and this is a page. But I don't really like it when it's, this is a page, but this is open and this is not really closed. So I want to have it all nice and neat. Well, as neat as I usually can go. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put some glue on here, I'll do it here too. And now you know how to fold it. So I can show you again how to like close the edges. Again, you're going to grab these. You can actually now glue them together, and then you, bloop, it's all folded. Well, the reason why I do a glue stick is when I don't think they're like glued together nicely, I can always do this and then glue them back together, at least when you're like fast enough. And now we have our little book. And this is something you could do when you're in a restaurant sitting and your kid is like acting out or something. Just ask for a piece of paper from the waiter and ask for a pen if you didn't bring any. And you can just make this easy doodle, make a book, and oh, I can have to do this a little bit better and keep my kid happy. Or I can use this while I'm waiting somewhere or just want to have a mindful exercise. I didn't really. I'm sorry, I was just trying to get the message across, and while I was doing it, I was not really paying attention on what I was doing here. When you get older, it's harder just to do and think at the same time. I think I'm going to open it up completely. I actually don't mind those messy lines, but I just want to show you the right example. Open it up again. Well, now you can see how we shouldn't do it. And I've done this, like I said, like hundreds of times, and I still do things wrong. So don't punish yourself if you do those things. I still punish myself, but my glue stick out again. See if we can put it back together a little bit more neatly than we did before. Okay. And let's see. That is a lot better. Yes, and I have my book. I don't even know when I want to have it, like the inside or the outside page. You can change your cover page. I think I'll keep it like this. And like I said, you can like give it to your kid while you're waiting in a restaurant, for example, or do this when you want a mindful exercise. And I'll show you just a few over here that we started working on. Did this with pencil, and it's fun to let your kid do the doodling too. I did it, but your kid can do it itself. And I haven't actually colored much in. Here's the coloring on the outside, and here are a few pages. She didn't really went into the lines like a coloring book, but went outside, and I actually love that because there's no right or wrong when you use this book. Just have fun and doodle and play. Here, oh, this one just got started. And over here, they look like water bubbles, and she cut out fish and put them in here. It's like your imagination can run wild with these booklets. And you know what? This is just, like you see, this is from a magazine. So this can come from a menu or something, the tickets you got from Disneyland. I don't know. Just put them in there, recycle them, and make new art. This is such a fun exercise to do. And I just grabbed the ones that were colored in, but you don't have to just color it in. It's fun. I like it. But you could also say like, no, I want to make it more of a mindful exercise. And I just grab my fine liner again, and I'm just doing the mindful patterns. And my favorite mindful pattern is doing the lines because they give me some kind of order, sense of order. And I can just keep on going. And I, for example, say, well, I can do the next one with lines 2. I'm not being really precise. And when I'm mindful, I'm not talking and doing really slow, but you get the point. I can also do like circles or different kind of shapes. Just have fun, explore, make your own coloring book, crafting book, and these fit in your purse perfectly. So I'm curious what you made. Let me share them with me on Instagram, for example. Just comment what you thought of this video. And of course, subscribe to this channel if you want to keep up to date with even more videos or creative outlets. Have fun and have a great day.